ran out of time today. I have maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours to do a Halloween look. So we're gonna do something really simple today. It's gonna be, I'll do a black smoky eye, and then on this side I'll do a spider, or should I do a spider on this side? Now that my bushes is tweezed, this Fresh Rose facial toner, extremely necessary, needed yesterday hydration. Also, I didn't wash any of my brushes, so I don't have a lot to work with here. I'm gonna glue down one of my eyebrows. This one. Set my brow. I'm going to brush off the excess. I'm gonna try to make my eyebrow as close as possible to the color of my skin. I'm gonna go in with my You Can Be Athena palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna use it as a color corrector. This is the only clean brush I have, so bear with me. I'm just trying to get rid of any gray area. And then I'm gonna set that into my skin as well. Once again, I'm gonna brush off the excess. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Graham Cracker. And I'm gonna apply it to my brow. And then I'm gonna work it in. Alright, it's pretty much gone. I mean, there's a little bit, but I don't have time. I'm gonna go back in with my powder. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm gonna mix 100 and 295. Sure. Blend it in with a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty color corrector in Peach. I'm gonna work that into the skin. I'm gonna go in with my House Labs concealers in Fair Neutral and Medium Neutral. And I'm gonna blend those into my skin. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. I'm just gonna work that in to make sure that everything I put on top does not crease. And then we're gonna repeat the process on top of the eye. Color corrector and same two concealers. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. And I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna blend it out. I'm surprised I have so many clean brushes right now. Guess I can blend my nose contour with this eyeshadow brush. Dampen it out with the sponge. I will contour my collarbones because we're here. We're already here. I'm gonna go in with these Fit Me Loose powders in Fair Clair and Light Medium. Lightly go under my eye, on my lid, set my lid. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go with this brush that I have. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna set the rest of my face. It's because I'm committed to the plan. Brushes, no brushes, but never a dirty brush. I'm gonna go in with this Milani bronzing powder in Suntan. Warm up this glam. Maron liquid makeup in black. I'm gonna pour it into my little tray here. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some legs. That was nerve-wracking. How do you guys feel about arachnoids? I'm just gonna go in with the black eyeshadow and make like the body of Christ. Blending brush and blend it out. You know, I kind of like how creepy it looks. I think I'm gonna keep it this creepy. I'm gonna take this like very skinny brush here and I'm kind of just gonna go over the legs of the spider with the same black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with these lashes, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome eyeliner in Electric Prism. And I'm gonna highlight around the legs of me spider. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm gonna line the inside of my eye black. What to do with the lips? I'll do black. I'm gonna go in with Milani Color Fetish Lipstick in Tease. I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip gloss in Filler Instinct. I'm gonna go in with a little more contour. I feel like this look is kind of bare, so the contours and highlights give it a lot of personality, and right now I'm not seeing it. My friend gifted me this chameleon highlighter and I never used it, so today I'm gonna use it. Look at the colors, holy shoot. Okay, I'll use this brush that I use to set my face. I'm gonna pick some up and I'm gonna just... Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Some of this under my brow. And on my inside corner. Look at that. On my nose. On my bridge. Oh, I'll put some on my collarbone. Yeah. I am lit up right now. I have to hold myself back from putting this all over my face. I'm clocking in at 2 hours right now. This is the final look. Hope you're not scared of arachnoid. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this to a Halloween party or on Halloween? I'd love to know. I think it came out kind of chic, kind of glam, but still has that creepy factor. And that's the line I like to walk. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.